Hello guys, this is your boy Kalesto Kenya manze. I know people you have mmenizoea with things of music, blah blah blah, interviews, what. Today I want to show you some things which I do. Apparently, I do phone repair. So today I will be changing a KA7 Spark 2, I think. The charging port, charging system, as you call it. So the phone is not charging. So I'll test for you. You see the phone is not charging, and my charger is okay. I'll test with another phone. Where is the phone? I'll test with another phone. Oh, yeah, it's charging. The charger is working. Yeah. So the KA7 Spark 2, the phone is not charging. So we'll start very fast. We'll open the phone. There we go. Just open the down part here. Yes. So, okay. Here we go. Yeah, here we have the charging flash, which consists of the network outpiece, the earphone port, and we just remove it. It marks the network cable. This is the vibrator. So I'll remove the vibrator. I have to remove the charging plate. Nice. Okay, here we have the charging port. This one is replacing another one. It's something heavy here. And, here we go. Start. Yes. That is all just gone. So I like resoldering here. So I have to resolder here because it had some dry joints for my new charging port to work out well and well. Okay, so I'll take some new one. And here we go. Let's test it. Yeah, I see if we have done a good job. And here is my charger. Before we assemble it, we have to test it first. Wow, here we go. It's working, charging 16%. Wow, thank you so much everyone who is here. This is how we repair the charging port, the charging system for every smartphone actually. And some we change the whole plate, but some we change the charging ports only. Thank you for watching my video. Like, comment and subscribe your view, and I'll appreciate your comments. Thank you so much. God bless you.